Guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Today, we're going to demonstrate on how to use the LLBA Golden Caliper and the brow string when brow mapping. So let's get started. Use a cotton pad and some mild soapy water to thoroughly clean the area. Pinch the bridge of the nose, then locate and mark the middle of the face with a brow pencil. Cut a substantial amount of brow string. Extend the center point with the string. Line the string with the outer edge of the nostrils and extend it to mark the beginning of the brows. Repeat in the other side. While the client's eyes are open, place the thread at the corner of the nose and continue it through the outer portion of the iris up to the brows to make the highest points of the arch. Repeat the other side. Extend the thread from the corner of the nose to the corner of the eyes to identify the tail of the brows. Repeat on the other side. The caliper was used to ensure that the distance were the same and the measurements on both brows are identical. Place the string in the lower part of the eyebrows and do a horizontal line. Make a line parallel to the lower line where the brows begin. These two lines will define the thickness of the brows. Place your fingers over the ear and align the thread vertically to identify where the tails begin. Repeat the previous step on the other side. This line will form an X in the middle of the face. To measure the thickness of the brows, take a string and extend from the center of the arch of the brows on the upper edge. Repeat on the opposite side. Apply the same technique to the lower edge of the brows, parallel to the upper line. The thickness of the brows is equal from the beginning to the arch. Place the thread at the tail's base and extend it to the arch. The thickness of the tails will be determined by this.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you would like in-depth training, our advanced brow mapping course will give you the skills and techniques you need to become the master brow artist. See you next time!